Hi, I'm Mary Lou Peters in Mesa, Arizona. I purchased the Shasta pool. It's actually our second pool. We had one built about 20 years ago, and we're very happy with Shasta and their staff and the quality of the pool. So when we purchased this house, we decided to go with Shasta again. So our designer referred to that as Baja area, and it's large enough for us to put 2 chairs in, spaces to put the umbrella in. So I'm a reader, so I'm thinking we're going to have many days sitting out there under the umbrella reading and enjoying this Arizona weather. I would recommend Shasta Pools, first of all, because of their employees. They were absolutely delightful to work with. I've never had a problem. They arrived on time, and I don't think there's anything along the way in the process that we would have changed. And, I would definitely refer Shasta.